conditional permutation. If we have 4 girls and 5 boys sit in a row, if the boys and girls must sit alternate to each other. So for alternate, we have to make sure the girls and boys are alternately seated. So we have 4 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say the girls will be the green color. And then we sit the boys. Boys will be at between the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely the purple one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats. And then we are going to arrange 5 boys. And then multiply with 4 seats with the girls. 4P4. So 5P5 is actually 5 factorial. Multiply by 4 factorial. And then our answer should be 2880. But what happens if we have the same number for boys and girls? Let's say we have 4 boys and 4 girls. We want to sit alternately. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the boys 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will be, our working will be 4 factorial for the girls multiply with 5 factorial for the boys. Or we can put, remember the purple one is for boys, green for girls. Let's say we can put the girls at the front. So we will have 2 choices. Girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. So still the calculation will be 4 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. Sorry, this one will be 4 factorial. So 4 factorial multiply with 4 factorial. So we will get 576. 576. This one also 576. And then our answer should be 1152. Or simply we can calculate, write down our calculation. 4P4 or 4 factorial multiplied by factorial multiplied by 2 if we have the condition is alternate and then the number of the boys and girls are the same. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.